just wanted to share with you all. We don't see too many monarchs, even though we know they're around. Oh, there it goes. It's shy, but it will come back. Yeah, there's your flower. We don't see too many monarchs around here, but it sure is great to see them come about. We found a bunch of milkweed earlier back in late spring, and they had little tiny monarch eggs on them, and we even discovered a caterpillar. So, you know, it's just kind of neat knowing the backstory of the monarch and how they do the migration thing and how they are apparently dwindling in number. But we're on a lantana that's parked right in front of the cabin that we have up here, and so it's just a joy to see these guys coming around. And this is also a great place to hang out and watch the hummingbird. So that's it. Thanks.